this is Mike, a digital assistant for Quality Plumbing Solutions. How can I help you today?
Hi, I think my toilet's clogged, so I need some help.
Thanks for reaching out. Is this an emergency situation or can it wait for a scheduled appointment?
It's an emergency.
Got it. Let me gather a few details so we can get someone out to you as soon as possible. Could you please provide your name?
My name is Brandon.
Thank you, Brandon. Could you describe the issue with your toilet a bit more? For example, is it overflowing, completely clogged, or something else?
It's completely clogged. When I go ahead and try to flush it, it makes kind of a bubbling sound, but nothing goes down.
Thanks for explaining, Brandon. We'll get that taken care of. Could you provide your address so we know where to send the technician?
Sure, my address is 980 Fox Run in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Thank you for that. Could you also provide your phone number so the technician can contact you before arrival?
Yeah, but hold on. How much is this going to cost me to come out and check?
Great question. We have an $89 diagnostic fee, which is waived if you choose to have the work completed by us. The technician will assess the issue and provide a quote before starting any repairs. Does that work for you?
Yeah, it does.
Perfect. Could you please provide your phone number so we can finalize the details?
241-797-2487.
Thanks for that. Lastly, could you provide your email address? This will help us send you a confirmation for the appointment.
Yeah, it's brandon@gmail.com.
Thanks, Brandon. Just to confirm, your email is brandon@gmail.com, correct?
That is correct.
Great. Let me check our availability for today to get someone out to you as soon as possible. Please hold on for a moment. The earliest availability we have today is at 4 p.m. Would that work for you?
Yeah, that works.
Your appointment is now booked for today at 4 p.m. A technician will call 30 minutes before arrival. It seems there was an issue with the phone number format. Could you confirm your phone number again, including the area code?
Yes, it's 980-241-6753.
Thank you for confirming. Let me update the details and finalize your appointment. One moment, please. Your appointment is successfully booked for today at 4 p.m. A technician will call you 30 minutes before arrival. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nope, that's it. You're a great help. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Brandon. Have a great day, and our technician will see you at 4 p.m. Take care.
Thanks, you too. All right, so we just had a call where the customer or client had a toilet that was clogged, and I wanted to kind of give a real world example here. As you probably heard, there was a dog barking in the background. There might be children screaming, and that's not going to throw off the AI. At the end, you saw that the number wasn't formatted, or they might be missing a digit. They didn't give their number correctly. We can then go ahead and prompt them to give us the correct information, because there's nothing worse than getting the wrong address or the wrong phone number. But this is all things that we can tweak for specific use cases. So I kind of wanted to give real world examples in that example. So we're starting out with the prompt here. So this is kind of the customized brains of the operation to really fit it towards our clients' businesses. So the role that we want the AI to perform, the task, the context, specifics, conversation guides, abilities, example conversation, notes, etc. It all lives in this prompt right here that we tweak for each client's specific needs. On top of that, we have what's called a knowledge base, and say there's a couple, without going into too much detail, there's a couple ways we can use this. We can crawl a client's already done up website. Say they have a bunch of information about their services and offerings and all that, and it's great. Well, we can crawl the site, or specifically, which we do in most cases, is upload a very well formatted knowledge base for the AI to reference. So everything that you can think of about the business would be within that knowledge base, and it just helps the AI be way sharper than even a couple year veteran employee of a company. We have end call functions right here, check calendar availability, book appointments, and we can also do call transferring. Say, as people are getting used to AI, operator, or I want to speak to a human. Well, great. We can have a safety net in there and go ahead and transfer the call to the business owner or the service worker. We can also do custom functions here, so we can integrate with really anything, any CRM, or if, even as easy as an Airtable or a Google spreadsheet. There's some other things that I don't need to run through: speech settings, post call analysis, webhook, stuff like that. But let's go over to kind of the brains of this and what makes this work. It's currently set up via a webhook that goes to Grok, which then goes into JSON over here, which then goes into Google Sheets. So we were pulling things from the call, like the timestamp, the service date, which was today at 4, the first name, everything that you can think of. And this is all custom. This is just for this demo. And then very important things like call summary, the recording URL, so you can go back and listen to the entire conversation, the entire transcript in text format of everything that happened within the call, the end reason, so who hung up, the agent, the AI agent, or the customer, and then the call ID. But this again is all custom here. Then we can go into the booking here. So what happened, right? So, and this is just a demo account, obviously, but Tuesday, February 25th, today of me shooting this video, 4 to 5 p.m. here. And then we have additional notes. Toilet is completely clogged and makes a bubbling sound when flushed. And then we obviously have the address and other very important information. Now going over here to where I mentioned as easy as a Google spreadsheet or an Airtable, and then also within client CRMs. We have everything from the timestamp, the service date, the customer name, phone number, email address, property address, service booked, a call summary. So everything summarized, so the business owner does not have to read the entire transcript, but we have the recording URL with the entire call on it. We have the entire transcript that you can read out, the end reason, the call ID. So just wanted to give everyone kind of a breakdown of what's going on here.